Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble wrap builds Fortnite Xbox One. Start by opening creative or a private match, then equip building tools and bubble wrap consumables. Move to a flat area, set a foundation, and place bubble wrap on walls and ramps for protection. Time your placements to absorb impact and practice quick edits to reinforce corners. Keep practicing these steps until placement becomes natural and fast for real matches. Set up your controller and HUD for fast bubble wrap builds on Xbox One. Customize button mappings so build and edit actions sit under your strongest fingers. Turn on aim assist and tweak sensitivity for smoother placement and quicker edits. Practice in creative mode with a timer to improve muscle memory. Remember that consistent warm-ups and steady settings beat random changes right before a match. Approach a build quickly but deliberately. Plan a floor, snap on walls, and cap with a ramp to form a bubble wrap shell. Use the sprint and crouch combo to steady your aim while placing pieces. If under fire, edit an aperture, peek, and reseal the opening with another bubble wrap piece to absorb shots. Work on timing and sequencing so each placement flows into the next without hesitation or wasted materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.